What's up everybody, Shun here again. Today I'm going to teach you how to make peri sauce. I like to use this sauce on chicken. So I put it on roast chicken or I put it on a chicken burger and it's absolutely delicious. As you can see, I'm actually filming from our bar today because would you believe the kitchen is full. So this is a super easy sauce to make. As you can see, there's quite a lot. Usually this makes serving for 4, but I doubled everything up and this makes serving for 8 so I can keep it in the fridge. So let's get started. Alright, what you need is a good food processor. I like this one because it's portable and it's handy. Alright, so the recipe asks for 1 whole red capsicum. Now, because I'm doubling up, I have 2 capsicums here, and because I didn't have another whole red capsicum, I put in some green ones as well. See? Uh-oh, it's already filling up the bowl. Alright, next ingredient, I have 5 tablespoons of malt vinegar. That's going to help when we blender it all. Okay? The recipe also asks for onion powder, which I did not have at the time. So what's a better substitute? Actual onions. Do that. Right? Now what I might do is I might blend it a little bit now, just so I can add the other ingredients in. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's no power. Let's try that again. Sorry, let's try that again. The power outlet I had the food processor in actually didn't have any power, so I had to get an extension cord and plug it in somewhere else. But we're good to go now. So, like I said, let's grind it up so we have some steaks. Okay, usually the recipe asks for 1 to 3 red chilies, depending on the spice level you want. And because I'm doubling up, I went somewhere in between. I have 5 bird's eye chilies here. Add that in. It asks for 5 cloves of garlic. I've got more than 10 there, but you know, I love garlic. Can never have enough. Put that in. Okay, and then we have oregano. I have to look at my código because I forgot the amount. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons of oregano. 4 tablespoons of paprika. 1.5 tablespoons of salt. So that's my mistake, we doubled it up. So this is about 3 tablespoons of salt. Sorry, let me say it again. Teaspoons, not tablespoons. And then lastly, we have about 3 teaspoons of white sugar. Now we cut that all together. Put that all in. We're going to grind it up to a paste. And there you go, nice and simple. Let's try it out. It's delicious. And like I said, try it on a chicken burger or on roast chicken, or actually anything chicken. I'd probably even put it on fish if I ate fish. Alright, enjoy guys. Oops, and before I get, add black pepper. Add as much as you want to taste, so it's up to you. I'll probably add a lot because I like it spicy. Alright, see you guys soon.